Hi, this is Patrick with MarineMax Stuart. Today I'll be showing you the 2020 195 Sportfish by Scout Boats. On the back we're going to have this boat powered by a 115 Yamaha. You'll also see the stainless steel recessive swim ladder as well as the swim platform with grab handle. You're going to notice stainless steel rod holders and cup holders throughout this boat, as well as the recessive cleats. All the rod holders and cup holders will be self-bailing. We'll have drains throughout them. You'll see seating for two back here, and underneath both seats are going to be storage. A phenomenally well done finished fiberglass bilge area that also has the raw water shutoff in here. Can be used as storage as well. We have the helm seat here. Underneath the helm seat is going to be a 20-gallon live well. Also can act as a cooler. This center console is going to have removable backrest for rod trolling, as well as grab handles on the back. We move to the throttle. As you'll notice, it's going to have a C-Star steering, Yamaha SmartCraft gauges, 3-position switches, accessory lights, a stainless steel pedestal, battery switch, single position battery switch, breakers, designated cell phone storage, as well as USB chargers and a 12-volt charger, fusion stereo controlled by 4 speakers, stainless steel grab handles here. As we come around, Loctite key storage, beautiful finished fiberglass area in the console, a cooler that acts like a seat. You can also remove the cushions if you just want to keep the cooler. Beautiful bow seating, and underneath it is stored a big giant storage space for your fenders, your dock lines, your life jackets, more cup holders. Again, stainless steel grab handles, an anchor locker that will store your anchor and your rode securely, and another stainless steel recessive cleat. If you have any questions or would like to see this boat in person, please give me a call at 561-847-6675. Thank you.